How the first computer was made. The story of the first computer began many years ago when people wanted to make calculations faster and easier. Before computers, scientists used simple machines like the abacus to count numbers. In the 1800s, a man named Charles Babbage designed a machine called the Analytical engine. It was a big and complex invention that could perform many types of calculations. Although his machine was never completely built, it became the idea for modern computers. His design showed the world that machines could think and solve problems like humans. In the 1940s, engineers started to build real electronic computers. One of the first was called ENIAC, made in the United States during World War II. It was created to help the Army calculate numbers for missiles and weapons. The ENIAC was very large, filling an entire room with wires and lights. It used vacuum tubes to process information, and it could do thousands of calculations in seconds. This new machine showed that computers could be used for science, war, and later, daily life. After ENIAC, technology improved quickly, and smaller, faster computers were made. Scientists replaced vacuum tubes with transistors, which made computers more powerful and used less energy. Then came microchips, tiny parts that could do the work of many transistors at once. These changes made computers cheaper and small enough to fit on a desk. Soon, personal computers appeared, and many people started using them at home. This was the beginning of the computer age we live in today. Now, computers are part of everything we do, from communication to learning and working. They help doctors find diseases, help students study, and connect people around the world. The first computers were huge and slow, but modern ones are fast and small. The idea that started with Charles Babbage has changed the world completely. We now have computers in our phones, cars, and even watches. The story of the first computer reminds us how powerful human imagination and innovation can be. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more. See you soon.